Want to turn your spare time into significant income? I'll show you how to make thousands of dollars online. In fact, within the next 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'll show you how to earn up to $75 daily online, even as a beginner. This is the only online earning platform that pays for everything. Even when you log in daily, you get paid. I'll show you where other people are making thousands of dollars online and they're not telling you about it. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and start earning. I'll also show you how to withdraw using different worldwide payment methods.
So guys, on this channel, we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, alright? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Now, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, alright? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? Now, just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
Here's how it works. This app pays you for simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, logging in, and even posting on social media. It's user-friendly and designed for anyone to start earning immediately. Signing up is fast and free. Visit timebucks.com, create your account, and begin completing tasks. The minimum withdrawal is just $10, with payment options like PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, AirTM, Tango Card, and bank transfer. Consistent effort can help you reach that $75 daily goal. Start today, dedicate a little time, and build your online income stream. You can do this.